China's Ministry of Commerce said in a statement posted on its website on Tuesday that China bans most imports of coal, iron ore, gold, rare earths, and several other raw materials from North Korea. But some imports for civilian use will be allowed. The ministry also imposed a ban on sales of jet fuel to Pyongyang, but said civilian aircraft would be allowed to refuel during flights to China. The restrictions take effect immediately. The ministry said the move comes in line with UN Security Council resolutions, which tighten sanctions on Pyongyang following its recent nuclear test and rocket launch.